Bakit ang daming tao na bumabalik-balik sa isang restaurant kahit lampas isang taon na? Para sa lahat ng food lovers dyan sa Pampanga na mahilig sa malaking servings at sulit sa presyo, may hidden gem dito sa Angeles City na kailangan nyong itry. Ang tanong, ano nga ba ang nagbago at bakit kami bumalik after more than a year? Welcome back sa Scots Restaurant and Café. November 2023 pa ang last namin dito, and honestly, hindi namin makalimutan yung burger na parang malaki pa sa mukha ko, yung pizza na sobrang sarap, tsaka yung breakfast na para sa mga taong gutom na gutom talaga. Dati kasi karamihan ng menu nila ay designed for foreigners. Malaki yung servings, western flavors, but guess what? Bumalik kami ngayon and they level up. Mas catered na siya for us Kapampangans and Filipino diners. Ang ibig sabihin, mas affordable ng prices, mas friendly pa ang selections. Pero, and this is the most important ha, yung quality and wow factor nandyan pa rin. Tingnan nyo to, Pinoy full breakfast, loco moco, arancini, smoked salmon pasta, and wait for it, sisig pizza. Yes, you heard that right. Meron din silang bacon and mushroom burger, chicken katsu, sweet and sour fish, tapa steak, baby back ribs, parang walang katapusan, di ba? And for desserts, molten pastillas, moron a la mode, and bingsu mango cheese. Grabe, busog levels talaga. Alam nyo yung ambience, still cozy as ever. Meron pa silang second floor na perfect for gatherings or meetings. Imagine, team building din nyo dito, and with all that food, grabe. They call themselves big on taste, and honestly, tama sila. Kung mahilig ka sa food with huge servings na talagang sulit, this is a must try. Scots Restaurants and Café is located at 26 Zeppelin Street, Malabanias, Angeles City. Open sila from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Follow our page for more Pampanga food finds and like this video if gutom na kayo. And comment kung saan kami next. Save this para may balikan kayo.